Video? Oh, oh, oh.
Matthew's getting his first little bath. It's okay, buddy. You're going to feel so much better after. And there's Big Brother in the bath. Wave, Andrew. Andrew. It's okay, buddy. You're going to feel better.
Get under that chin and your neck where that milk pools. Oh.
Your camera is really good quality.
Thanks. It's one of the reasons I went with the full app iPhone instead of the color.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you see that baby? Look at that. Look at that baby in the mirror. So sad. Oh, he's angry. He's angry with his dad. Rush the back. A little bit of booty.
Yeah, get that.
Little baby booty. Ooh. That looks like it hurts. Okay. We good?
Andrew, do you remember your first bath?
Uh-huh.
You do?
I remember
I
Aunt.
was in the upper sink.
Yes.
Was in the kitchen.
You're right, baby. You're right.
You're right about that. Okay.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay. Whoa. No, 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 no.